Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD Beyond the Basics course. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of AutoCAD drafting. The completion of our intermediate course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students to work more effectively with the use of keyboard shortcuts, draft with more precision using the Cartesian coordinate system, set up constraints and parameters for drawing adjustments. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access AutoCAD through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students to work more effectively within the AutoCAD system, setting up and using AutoCAD templates, and implementing the use of external references for overlay of other documents. Each student will discover how to work more effectively initiating commands with the use of keyboard shortcuts, work more precisely with the use of Cartesian coordinate systems, set up tracking points to snap into for faster and more accurate drafting, set up parametric and dimensional constraints to allow adjustability within the drawing, create external write blocks and edit blocks within the block editor, setting up layers and styles within the drawing, and applying those settings into a template file that can be used to start a new project. Work more effectively with layouts, setting up named views for viewport displays. Create custom dimension substyles for separate display of each dimension type. We will also learn about attached external references or other drawing files as underlays in your project. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how AutoCAD functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that come with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting CAD drafters in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through problems, issues more effectively and more quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike, each will gain the confidence to create a new project or open an existing model and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's AutoCAD Beyond the Basics course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in two-dimensional drafting software.